Welcome back into another Bitcoin and XRP price prediction. It's been what we've been focusing on this week because that is what I'm waiting for, and that's what I want to keep you guys updated for with our key levels, trade breakdowns, and also our day trades. So if you haven't already, yesterday we gave another day trade, and guess what? That ended up hitting take profit very close to stop loss. To be fair, if the spread was quite wide, then that could have taken you out, but overall the idea worked and it hit take profit. Also, another trade that we've been breaking down is this Bitcoin trade. It has been running up, and I haven't put the overall indicators on there just yet, but I will be adding them next week and I will explain to those as well. So hope you guys are excited for the video. It's going to be an interesting one. Let's get to it. Right, first and foremost, let's do XRP a bit backwards. The reason we'll do XRP is because they're currently at some major levels. Now, the major level is, and I have heard you guys, you want me to spell these levels out. So instead of me just drawing them, I am going to read these levels out clearly for you guys. So the first level we have here is around 0.68164. So spelling that out. And the reason why it's around there, you can have a tolerance anywhere between 1 or 2%. I was going to say 5%. And the zone that I've drawn, you can see that has been tested 1, 2, and 3 times. This can ultimately still be a support area. We've got moving averages which are moving. We've bounced on this red line here. This red line is the 100 moving average. So there's quite a few things saying that we could retest this upper region. So really simply, let's not overcomplicate it. We're just looking from point 1 to point 2. This point 1 has been tested 1, 2, 3 and broken out here. And then if we do want to look in the past, if we zoom all the way out, we can see that it's been tested here as well and been tested time and time again. So you can do that in your own time. A little bit of homework for you guys set from us here at Coin Bureau Trading. So do some homework. So we have an opportunity to test this high, which was basically what happened after the lawsuit. So fundamentally driven plus technically driven. Now, if we were looking to it for a sell opportunity, we could break this support. Now, this support has been tested. Now, if it's broken, therefore that means that support is no longer valid for the time being. And could it be a resistance, or is it going to hold? So if that's the case, then we could look for a retest as a sell and then sell this opportunity all the way down to 0.57. So a recap of the key levels we currently have is 0.84, 0.68, and 0.56. These are the major key levels for XRP and a little bit of an overall breakdown. So guys, don't forget to check out our Bitget competition. We literally have 3 days left now. For the top 100 people, you will win a prize. It's a cash prize as well. Well done to Space Cadet Panda. Looks like you're in the running right now with nearly 2 million. I don't even know how to read that number off the back of my head. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, actually 20 million in terms of trading volume. Wow, well done to you. So he is actually in first place and he will be winning $4,000. You will have an opportunity to participate still. You've got 3 days to get in the top 100 ranking if you want to. Link in the description below. Even if not, there's up to $40,000 worth of bonuses and 20% off of your trading fees. And a link in the description if you want to support our channel and support me. So let's get back to the video. Now let's go on to a Bitcoin, our very major one to start off. With Bitcoin, we're actually holding on a little bit of a market structure now. Now this market structure now gives me an idea to potentially draw a zone here and then potentially remove this zone. And if I remove that zone, it kind of clarifies and clears it up a little bit. Now the charts are a little bit messy, so what we're going to do is just simply clean it up right here live. Let's remove that and then remove that. We'll leave this trade in because that was the overall idea. We can see that that's tested. We can move this up a little bit. And we can see that this zone has been tested more, so we can hold it. Now, as soon as we do that, we can see a little bit of a cleaner chart. Now, the major key levels here is 29,168, 28,267, and then the major one that we need to look out for is 31,000. Now, 31,000 is a major one because it's been tested once in April the 14th this year, which was high of the year. Then it's been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, multiple times recently and failed to break this. Now, if we break above, then we are looking to absolutely move. So during this period right now, which is an accumulation, and as we're sitting sideways, what that means is there is undecided momentum in the market. It's still looking for a breakout to come, and then when the breakout comes, the volume. So if you think about it, like if it breaks out, everyone's like excited, oh, it's gonna break, and then the money can pump. Now that's the retail side of things. From the institutional and the market manipulation side of things, people are probably looking for a price that they've already worked towards already. So say this is going to be 37k. Now 37k is an area that I've been calling for a while because it's an area where price price has to hit. Now, price has to hit this. The hard question is when. That's the hardest thing in trading. It's not if, it's when. We know price is going to hit 37k because it's a major key level. People are going to try and sell there. It's going to be a whole number. It's been tested time and time again. It was a major key level in 2022. So the question is when. Is it going to push and break above now and surge straight to 37k? Or are we going to break a little bit lower, pull all the way back down, cause a little bit more fear, and then come to 37k without giving anyone a chance? So you just got to think a little bit outside the box when it comes to the psychology in terms of how the markets will work from that perspective. But with those key levels mentioned, we could potentially bounce right now and then retest the 31k. I still have an idea of a buy here, which is the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, plus a retest of 31k in the coming future. So on the day trading section here is what was looking good is we've got the XRPs hit trades, the same trade idea twice. Now, if we were looking to do exactly the same trade idea, I would leave this open. Even though this goes against the overall consensus that I have for my swing trades, right now we have broken down the moving average. We've retested this, looking to break the Tokyo low and potentially coming all the way down to test this 0.68. And this is the same key level I had from the swing trading perspective. So I'm just saying that price could potentially just drop a little bit lower before pushing up, and there is a simple day trade there. Now, the day trades are just looking for in and out of the positions and see if we can hit take profit. So we'll leave that up and then we can check tomorrow to see if that hits stop loss or take profit. We currently have a day trade running for Bitcoin where buy is on this support, and ironically on this support, when I redrew my sections, that's actually the buy where we are right now. Now, having that, you can see how day trading and swing trading have a little bit of a different perspective. Now with this, what we want to be looking at is basically a take profit here at 29,000 because that's where the previous resistance was, so it'll be a 1-to-1. So there is another opportunity for a trade right now of an entry with something like this. That could be the Bitcoin trade that we have today. Basically on support, looking at take profit at the previous resistance. It's held on the support right now as well, and markets are potentially could be pushing. Plus gold and DXY are in favor, but that's another story which I'll talk about on Monday. So just want to quickly say we will be having a video tomorrow. Most of our videos are Monday to Friday, but I'm going to do a weekly review just this week because we've missed a few videos and I feel like I owe it to you guys. So we're going to do a weekly review. That video will be out tomorrow. That's going to be reviewing all of our day trades and all of our kind of analysis that we've had this week, and to summarize some good points and some bad points. So make sure you subscribe and check that out tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoyed it. See you tomorrow's video. Champ out. Peace.